So how do you use the SSD storage for working with your CapCut like videos and stuff? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So as you probably noticed, when you open up CapCut, you can import your videos, but only those from the iPhone's gallery or iPads, whatever, right? So if you want to bring in some photos and videos from the SSD, you have to do one middle step where you connect your SD card or SSD storage to the iPad. And then you go to the Files app where you can browse your photos and videos as usual, right? And you can basically see the photo in here or the video. So hold down on it and click on a Save Video or a Save Photo. This will move the video or copy it to the Photos app, right? So it will just make it appear in the gallery, and then the CapCut application will be able to access it without any problems. Or another alternative would be to still have the SSD connected through the USB port of your iPad and open up the gallery application like the Photos app. And you should also be able to see the external location there, which lets you import your clips into the gallery like that. So you can import multiple photos right here to the Photos app. And then again, once they are part of the Photos app, the CapCut has no problem of accessing those photos and videos for the edits later. So that's how it works. As I said, two options: either save the video from the Files app to the gallery, or connect your SSD and import them directly to the gallery application, so you make it easy for the CapCut to access it. So I hope it all makes sense. If you have some additional questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.